Assalamu alaikum. Hope everyone is fine at home. Today our topic is farm animals. As we discussed in our last topic, Allah is the creator and owner of all the things. The real owner of the farm animals is Allah. So Allah is Al-Malik. Now let me show you different farm animals. Cow, horse, sheep and camel. What do they eat? Cow and horse eat hay. Sheep and camel eat grass. Do you know where farm animals to live? They live in farm house. I would like to give you very important information about our Prophet. Our last Prophet, Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, mostly travel on a camel. His camel name was Qaswa. Being a Muslim, we should treat all animals with kindness. Muslims do not kill birds and animals for fun. I am going to tell you about the Sunnah ways of riding. Right foot first says Bismillah. When you sit it, say Alhamdulillah. When the animals start moving, to recite the dua of traveling. Farm animals worksheet is with you. Do this worksheet with the help of your mother. Jazakallah.